everybody, welcome back to Lulu Gaming, and today we are playing some Roblox. Oh, I didn't know that I was a game. Ooh, I like so pretty in this game. Woo! Okay, so, first of all, we need let's do some friend activity games that my friends have played. Friend activity. Okay. Okay. So the one I believe they are on is this one. I want to go to this one. Escape Grandma's House Obby by Backstabber Obbies. Oh my gosh. I think he needs to clean her teeth. But okay. Okay. Everybody, this is crazy. That looks like she's gonna whack me with it. Her walking stick. She has a weird face. Grandma has gone crazy. Let's get out of here. But we certainly can't get past this door. Maybe it's this way, because it's unlocked. Oh my gosh. She loves cats. Do you guys ever watch Dennis Daily? This is Sir Meows-a-Lot. Hi, another Sir Meows-a-Lot. These are just different colored Sir Meows-a-Lots. Oh my gosh. Are these lollipops or pins? I believe they're pins. Because grandmas usually love knitting. My grandma, she loves knitting. Can't get through this door, find another way out. This is obvious, there's always vents and obvious. So, hey, wait, what? Are we allowed to go through this? Oh, there we go. I hope this is like one of those tricky mazes. No, it's fine. Oh my gosh. Grandma, you've gone crazy. Like, super duper crazy. Another vent, probably gonna go through it. No! Sorry, I do a different access voice when I'm super mad. Accent when I'm mad. Is this the way out? Nope. We gotta go here. Nope. Here. Nope. Not there. Let's go through this way. Oh! We found the way out, you guys! Where do we go? Did we just end up at the beginning? This path separated Grandma. Nope, we didn't. Grandma needed me to the wall. Find a way out before she needs you too. Oh my gosh, Grandma, I don't like you. They're trying to get me hurt. Ha ha ha. Don't net me to the wall. Ha ha. This is what you get. Grandma's all out there. Do not be like that, Grandma. 'Cause your grandkids are just gonna be not liking you for a long time. How did I die? It's so fine. It was a normal way. What? How did I die? Oh yeah, I was touching. I've been doing this for 4 minutes, and I'm only on stage 4. I usually can skip everything like a charm. But today the clothes hanger is not having it. Guess you don't touch that either. This is like impossible. Oh my god. Guys, if I run out of time, which is in 5 minutes or so, 5 or 10 minutes, then I'm gonna complete the zombie, okay? I need to complete it. I just need to stay to the wall. Oh my god, Oh, jump right on that. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. This is just crazy. And remember to smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit on the notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to view it, you too. Two hours later. 2 hours later. Still. Hope this technique works. There's more than 8 stages that I'm gonna die! I really have to skip a stage. I need grappling hook. Oh. Hammer time. Hammer! Skip stage. I still have to do it. And if you didn't watch my last video, it's snowing. Woo! So if you have snow, comment below how many inches or feet you have. We have 8 inches of snow here. The snow's arrived? What do you mean? Okay. I'm just gonna stick with going straight. Don't touch that, Evie. Get out. I've been struggling for literally 8 minutes. Like, how is this so hard for me? You know what, guys? This is so hard. This isn't... Okay. Let's pick something else. Ooh! Fortnite and Roblox simulator. Let's see me shoot some people. Woo! I didn't know that I was a game. Whoa, I look super mad. Good job. Okay. Let's Play. We're inside the bus. Drop. Yeah. If you guys don't know what Fortnite is, it's like, ooh, a hot tub. It's like this game where you get weapons and you shoot other people. How do you build? So you need the pickaxe. Oh, I got killed. You kidding me, bros? Play. Good. Drop. I don't even care about this. Landed in a different place. To climb up this. Climb up. Weapon. Woo! Collect a weapon. You get this weapon. Hide. Let's go! Play. Drop from the sky. Okay. Boom, killed someone. That's how you do it, kids. That's the same thing. Okay, guys. I'm gonna outro this video. Goodbye, everybody. See you next time. Subscribe! And I will see you next time. Goodbye!